Hello student, today we will solve some NCERT question based on express the following in the form of P upon Q where P and Q are integer. Okay, the first question you will express this 0.6 bar in the form of P upon Q. First of all, we will take it as x equal to 0.6 bar. It means this number is repeating again and again. Then you can write it 0.6666. You will take it equation first. In next step, what you will do? You will multiply by 10 both sides of equation. This condition will be different in according to questions. You have 6 after one place of decimal, then you will multiply by 10. Okay, and we will multiply equation first by 10 both sides of both sides. Okay, then 10x equal to 10 into 0.6666 first equation. Then 10x equal to, if you will multiply it, then this 6 will be moved one place left side, then you can write it 6.6666. you will take it equation. Now what you will do, you will subtract equation second from first, then you will write it 10x and left hand side minus x equal to 6.6666 minus 0.6666, and if you will solve it, then 10x minus x is 9x equal to, you will subtract it, these all digits are same, then 6.0000, then you can write it 9x equal to 6, then x equal to 6 by 9. If you will simplify it, then you can divide it, cancel out it by 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, then you can write it 2 by 3. This is the result. Okay student, we will take one more question based on this concept. You have 0.001 bar, then you can write it 0.001. then if you will write it, it means here all three digits are repeating again and again, then you can write it 0.001001. you can take it equation first. Now in this case, here the all three digit is after three place of decimal. Now you will multiply this equation by 1000. Here the all three digit is after three place of decimal, then you will multiply equation first by 1000. multiply equation first by 1000 both sides, then equation first will be 1000x equal to 1000 into 0.001001. if you will solve it, then 1000x equal to, here you are multiplying this by 1000, then three digit will be moved left side of a decimal, then you can write it 001.001001, because you can write 001 so many times, because there is a bar in 001. you can take it equation second. Now what you will do, you will subtract equation second from first. Now 1000x minus x equal to here 001.001001 minus 0.001001. Now if you will subtract it, then this will be 999x. You are subtracting 1000x minus x, and if you will see after decimal these all digits are same, then what you will get, these all will be 0. If you will subtract, then you will get 001.00. then you can write it 999x equal to 001, and this will be 1. 999x equal to 1, then x equal to 1 upon 999, then this will be the result. Student, we will cover one more question based on same concept, but this question will be different from previous two questions. We will write it same as x equal to 0.47 bar, but here after decimal there is a bar only on 7. You will write it same as it is, x equal to 0.4777. Here only 7 is repeating because there is bar on 7 only. You will take it equation first, but here procedure will be different because here 4 is after decimal and 7 is repeating. Then first of all you will remove 4 from this side, because you will take it left side of a decimal. Then what you will do, if you want to take it left hand side, then you will multiply equation first by 10 first, then multiply equation first by 10, then what you will get, 10x equal to, if you will multiply this by 10, then this will be moved one place of decimal, left side of a decimal. 10x equal to 4.777. You can write it, you will take it equation second. Now again you will multiply equation 2 by 10, because here we have multiplied by 10 to take it to left side of a decimal. Then again multiply equation 2 by 10 both sides, then you will get 10x into 10 equal to 4.777 into 10, then you will get 100x equal to, if you will multiply by 10, then this digit will be moved to one place of decimal left, then you will get 47.777. You can write 7 so many times, okay. Then you have these two equations. Now you will subtract equation third from second. Subtract equation third from second, then you will get 100x minus 10x. 100x minus 10x equal to 47.777 minus 4.777. If you will subtract it, you will get 90x, and if you can see there is a same digit after decimal place, these will be all will be 0, then 47 minus 4 will be 43.000. Then you can write it 90x equal to 43, then x equal to 43 upon 90. Next concept, rationalize the denominator. Here you have one question, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. You will rationalize it because this is a irrational number. Whenever you will rationalize the denominator, you will see the denominator of a question. Whatever you have given in a question, you will see the denominator. Then for rationalize the denominator, what you will do, you will take conjugate of denominator. The conjugate of denominator will be same but sign will be opposite. Then you can write it root 7 plus root 6 and root 7 plus root 6. You will take conjugate of this denominator and you will multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of this. Then what you will get? You can see a minus b and a plus b. You can apply for solving this. You can apply this formula. Always you will get this type of step in rationalization. Then how you will solve it? Numerator will be same, root 7 plus root 6 into 1 you will get same. And if you will apply here a plus b and a minus b, then what you will get? A square, then root 7 square is minus root 6 square. Then how you will solve it? Root 7 square is 7 and root 6 square is 6. Then what you will get? Root 7 plus root 6 upon 1, and this is the result.